Good morning, students. Today let us continue exercise 9.2 in statistics. So first let us know what is a median. Suppose if there are n observations, number of observations is n. If n is an odd number, if number of observations is an odd number, then n plus 1 by 2th term, this is known as median. If number of observations n is an odd number, then n plus 1 by 2th term is called median. If number of observations n is an even number, if n is an even number, then n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term, these are median. There are n observations in a given data. If number of observations n is an odd number, then n plus 1 by 2th term is called median. If number of observations n is an even number, then n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term you should take, and average of these two terms is called median. So for an ungrouped data, if you want to write what is median, first you have to see n. If n is an odd number, then n plus 1 by 2th observation, this is called median. If n is an even number, then we should write n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term, both you have to take. Average of these two terms is called median. Let us do one example. Find the median of the scores. Find the median of the scores . 75, 21, 56, 36, 81, 5, 42. Now here ungrouped data is given. Now we should write median. So for that, what you have to do is you write ascending order of the given data first. Let us write ascending order of the given data. Least one is 5. Next after 5, 21. Next 36, 42, 56, 75, 81. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first we should write the ascending order. Number of observations here n is 7. 7 observations are there. If number of observations is an odd number, 7 is an odd number, then n plus 1 by 2th term, this is called median. Therefore, median is equal to number of observation is 7 plus 1, that is 8 by 2, that is 4th term is called median. So let us see what is the fourth term. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 42 is the median. So like this we should do. First you have to write in ascending order. After writing in ascending order, you see number of terms, that is 7 here. 7 is an odd number. If number of terms is an odd number, then n plus 1 by 2th term, this is called median. So median is equal to n is 7 plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2, that is 4th term is the median. Here in this data, 4th term is 42. So median is 42. Like this we should do. First you have to write in ascending order. Next you see number of terms, is it even number or odd number? If it is odd number, n plus 1 by 2th observation is called median. Right, next example. Find the median of Find the median of 7, 10, 15, 8, 6, 27, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 30, 17. This is an ungrouped data. Now we should write median. So to write the median, first you should write in ascending order. Ascending order of the given observations you have to write. Here the least one is 6. Next 7. 8. Next 10. Next 15. 17. 27. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of observations here 8. 8 is an even number. If the number of observations is an even number, then n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th terms you have to take. N by 2 means 8 by 2 and 8 by 2 plus 1. 8 by 2 is 4. 8 by 2 plus 1, that is 5th term. We have to take average of 4th and 5th terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4th and this is 5th. So 10 and 15. Now we should write median. Median is equal to average of these two you have to take. That is 25 by 2. 4th and 5th term average you have to take. So first, to find the median of this ungrouped data, first you write in the ascending order. You see number of terms. Number of terms here it is 8, which is an even number. If number of terms is an even number, then n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation we have to find. 8 by 2 and 8 by 2 plus 1, that is 4th and 5th terms you have to take. 10 and 15. Average of these two terms gives median. So 25 by 2. If you want, you can write decimal form 12.5. That is the median. Right, next one, mode. The observation which is occurring more frequently is called mode. The observation which occurs most frequently is called mode. The observation which is occurring most frequently is called mode. For example, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 10. This is an ungrouped data. These are the observations. Here, the observation which is occurring most frequently is called mode. Here you see 2 is occurring 3 times. Now, is there any other number which is also occurring 3 times? No. Only 2 is occurring 3 times. There is no other number which is also occurring 3 times. Therefore, mode is equal to 2. The observation which is occurring most frequently is called mode. So 2 is occurring most frequently, 3 times it is occurring, and there is no other number which is also occurring 3 times. So mode is 3, mode is 2. Now let us see another example. Five, 10, 15, 5, 17, 16, 10, 8. Here 5 is occurring 2 times, 10 is also occurring 2 times. Two numbers are occurring same number of times. So mode is equal to 5 and 10. So the observation which is occurring most frequently is called mode. So 5 is occurring 2 times, 10 is also occurring 2 times. So 5 and 10, that is mode. Now next example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 8, 9, 10. Is there any observation which is occurring frequently, more number of times? So here no observation is repeated, so we can write no mode. So from these examples we can say that the observation which is occurring most frequently is called mode. So in this 2 is occurring 3 times, there is no other number which is also occurring 3 times, so mode is 2. In a data, if only one value is there for mode, we call it as unimodal data. Here 5 is occurring 2 times, 10 is also occurring 2 times. So mode is equal to 5 and 10. Such data is called bimodal data. Here no observation is repeated, so we have written no mode. So the observation which is occurring more frequently is called mode. For a given data, mode may or may not exist. If it exists, it may or may not be unique. Sometimes you get one mode, sometimes you get two mode, sometimes there is no mode. So for a given data, mode may or may not exist. If it exists, don't think that only one mode. Sometimes you will get 2 modes, 3 modes like that, and sometimes there is no mode. In exercise 9.2, let us do one problem, that is question number 11. There are 4 unknown numbers. The mean of first 2 numbers is 4. There are 4 unknown numbers. The mean of first 2 numbers is the mean of first 2 numbers is 4 and the mean of first 3 numbers is 9 and the mean of first 3 numbers is 9. The mean of all the 4 numbers is 15. the mean of all the four numbers is 15. If one of the four numbers is 2, if one of the four numbers is 2, then find the remaining numbers. Here there are four unknown numbers. One number is given as 2. Four numbers are there, one number is given as 2. So let the four numbers be first number is 2, remaining numbers you suppose as A, B, C. There are four numbers, one number is given as 2. Remaining three numbers you have to find. So one number I am supposing as 2. Let the remaining numbers be A, B, C. Now you see the given condition. The mean of first two numbers is 4. Given that mean of first two numbers is 4. What is the formula for mean? Sum of all observations by total number of observations. This is given as 4. The mean of first two numbers is given as 4. First number is 2, second number is A, its mean is given as 4. The mean of first two numbers, sum of two numbers by total two numbers. The mean of first two numbers is given as 4. So 2 plus A by 2 is equal to 4. Cross multiply. 2 plus A is equal to 8. A is equal to 8 minus 2. A value is 6. We got one number. Next, what is given? The mean of first three numbers is 9. Given that mean of first three numbers is 9. What is the formula for mean? Sum of all observations by total number of observations. Sum of all the three numbers by total 3 is equal to 9. 2 plus A value we got 6. Plus B is equal to 3 into 9, 27. This is 8 plus B is 27. So B value 27 minus 8. B value is 19. Now set among three numbers we got two numbers. Now the third number. Another condition is given. The mean of all the four numbers is 15. Given that mean of all four numbers is 15. What is the formula for mean? Sum of all observations by total number of observations. This is 15. 2 plus A value is 6, B value is 19. C is equal to 15, 4s are 60. 2 plus 6 is 8, 19 plus 8 is 27 plus C is 60. So C is equal to 60 minus 27, C value is 33. So here in this problem 4 unknown numbers are there. Among those 4 unknown numbers, one number is given as 2. The remaining numbers we are supposing as A, B, C. Now given that mean of first two numbers is 4. Mean means sum of all observations by total number of observations. This is 4. Sum of two numbers by total two numbers is 4. Here A value will get 6. Next, given that mean of first three numbers is 9. Mean of first three numbers, sum of all the observations by total 3 numbers is 9. If you cross multiply, you will get B value 19. Last condition given is the mean of all the 4 numbers is 15. So sum of all the 4 observations by total 4 observations is 15. If you cross multiply, you will get C value 33. Therefore, numbers are. So what are the number? First number is 2, second number is 6, third number is 19, fourth number is 33. These are the 4 numbers. 2, 6, 19, 33. So tomorrow we will continue the remaining problems. Thank you.